Is ditching your expensive phone bill for a fraction of the cost too good to be true, or is Verizon's reliable network worth the extra dough? Let's dive into Mint Mobile versus Verizon to find out which carrier truly reigns supreme. First up, coverage. Verizon boasts the most extensive 4G LTE and 5G network in the US, blanketing even rural areas. Mint Mobile, on the other hand, piggybacks off Mobile's network, offering good coverage in most cities and suburban areas. But it may struggle in more remote locales if you travel frequently or live outside a major city. Verizon has a clear edge. Now, let's talk speed. While both offer 5G, Verizon typically delivers faster data speeds, especially during peak hours because Mint Mobile is an MVNO. Your speeds could be throttled during times of high network congestion, so Verizon will probably give you a better experience if you're a heavy data user streaming lots of video on the go. Plan options and pricing are where Mint Mobile really shines. Their prepaid plans offer incredible value, especially if you're willing to commit to a longer subscription. Verizon's plans are more expensive, but they come with perks like hotspot data, streaming service bundles, and sometimes even device deals. With Mint Mobile, you're paying upfront for access, but Verizon has more financing options if you don't have the full price of a phone readily available. The verdict: it depends. If you prioritize price and live in an area with good mobile coverage, Mint Mobile is a fantastic choice, but if you need the most reliable coverage, fastest speeds, and bundled perks, Verizon might be worth the extra investment. Consider your data needs and spending habits to make the right call for you.